Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous video we have solved a question in which we have taken up a grammar and we saw that that particular grammar is LL2. That means looking at two look ahead symbol we can predict which production to be used. Over here we have taken the same grammar and we applied a positive closure of that grammar. That means one or more symbols derived from that particular grammar. You can see that the grammar is similar. S produces ASB or AB. Using the production SS, we can copy the same string with a number of times. That means this becomes a positive closure. Let us see whether this particular grammar is LLK for some value of k. That means looking ahead of some symbol k, maybe 1, 2 or 3, this particular language is predictable or not. For that, let us take some string first. Let us say the string that we are parsing is ABAB. Let's look at the symbol A first. That is, we are checking whether the grammar is LL1 or not. If k is equal to 1, we look at one symbol. Over here, the first symbol is A. If we have the symbol A, can we use the production SS? The answer is yes, because if you are using SS, it can produce an A at the start, because S again derives AB. Over here, you can see that I have derived the symbol A at the start. Now, let us try to use the second production, that is, S produces ASB. You can see that this particular production is also giving me A at the start. Now, let us see the third production. The third production is also giving me A at the start. This simply means that using one symbol, I cannot decide whether to use the first production, second production or third production. Definitely this grammar is not LL1. Now let us check whether this grammar is LL2 or not. That means for value k is equal to 2, we have to check whether we are able to decide this particular production. Again, the string is same, that is ABAB. We are using two look ahead symbol, that is value of k is equal to 2. So the string that we are going to take up would be AB as a look ahead. We have to check whether we are able to decide any one production for this particular string. Let's start with the first one. S produces SS. SS can produce AB in terms of the first S. And hence we can say that with two look ahead symbol, we can use the first production. Let's see whether we can use a second production, that is S produces ASB. Over here you can see that when I produce ASB, now to produce a B after suddenly A, I cannot use any production, and hence this particular production couldn't be used anymore. Let's see the third one. S produces AB. You can see that this particular production is also useful. Now you cannot decide between whether to use the first production or to use the third production using just two symbols. In fact, if you observe this grammar, you will find that for any value of k, whether it is 1, 2, 3, 5, anything, we can come up with some string in which we are not able to decide whether the production 1 to be used or 2 to be used or 3 to be used. That means this particular grammar in this particular structure is not any LLK. That means we cannot find any value k such that this particular grammar is LLK for that value of k. Does this mean this language or grammar is not LLK at all? Not really. In the next question, we will be trying to find a grammar which is equivalent to this grammar. That means both will generate the same language, but that particular grammar would be LLK in nature. For a grammar or any language, if you're able to find at least one LLK grammar, we can say that that grammar is LLK. But if you're not able to find any grammar which is LLK for that particular language, we can say that that grammar is not LLK. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and do subscribe.